In this video, I will be explaining how to create the components and move the geometries into those components. First of all, let us import the geometry. File, Import, Geometry. Ensure that the format is IGES and the format which will be imported now will be having the IGES extension. Import. We can find here now there are three surfaces. If I want to place all three surfaces in different components, then I need to create the components first. So pick on the model. Check how many components exist. There exist component, the ID of that component is 1 and that component name is 06 _ part all surfaces. Switch on the geometry which is present in that component or switch off the geometry by using this button. To move individual surface in a separate component, create the component by pressing hold right click mouse button and create component. It is asking the component name. Enter the name as surface 1 and select the color for that surface. Pick on create. Right click, press hold, create component again. Enter the name as surface 2 and change the color. Pick on create. Again create the new component by the name surface 3 and change the color as per the requirement. Pick on create. Now note that there are three components which are created. Out of these three components or these four components, one component name is highlighted in bold letter, that is dark black color, which means this component is currently active. If at all I create any lines, surfaces in this window, all the things will go into this particular component. To ensure this component is active, check at the right bottom corner, that is surface 03 is the current component, which means this particular component has been set as a current component. To change the current component, right click on the respective component and use the option make current. Right click on the required component and make current.